2050, the world population is expected to surpass 9.7 billion. Feeding everyone sustainably is one of humanity's greatest challenges. Could traditional meat soon become a thing of the past? The meat industry as we know it comes with a heavy cost: environmental degradation, animal suffering, and public health crises. Livestock farming contributes nearly 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions, more than all transportation combined. If we continue at this pace, the consequences could be catastrophic. Climate experts warn that we are running out of time, but change is on the horizon. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, offers a revolutionary alternative. By cultivating animal cells, we can produce meat without slaughtering animals. In 2013, the first lab-grown burger cost $330,000. Today, companies are driving the price down to match supermarket meat. By 2050, it could be the norm. Meanwhile, the vegan movement is accelerating. What was once a niche lifestyle is now a global phenomenon. Millennials and Gen Z are leading the charge, opting for plant-based diets for ethical, environmental, and health reasons. By 2030, the plant-based food market is projected to exceed $160 billion. So why might meat become obsolete by 2050? The answer lies in three key factors: sustainability, innovation, and shifting cultural values. As lab-grown meat and vegan options become cheaper and tastier, traditional meat will face an uphill battle. A future without slaughterhouses may not just be possible, it might be inevitable. Of course, challenges remain. Can lab-grown meat be scaled sustainably? Will cultural traditions around meat eating adapt? And how will governments regulate this new food landscape? Change is never easy, but it's necessary. The choices we make today, what we eat, what we support, will shape the world of 2050. Will you be part of the revolution? The future of food is here. It's time to embrace it.